Hi, this is Dirk from V&V Auto Sales. Just using a light to kind of show you the quality of the paint. There you can see it doesn't have much for swirls in it. There you can probably see a little bit of debris in it, but not much. They did a pretty nice job on this as far as the body work. And you know, like right there, you can see that they didn't over buff it. It's just a nice shine to it. So we started doing this. Give you, since you're probably looking on the internet, just trying to show you as much as we can. You know, you can see a little bit of debris. It's been wet sanded though, so most of that's knocked down. You know, but nice job on this Bronco. Pretty good and straight, and not a lot of nibs or anything in it. Pretty good quality paint on it. You don't see a lot of sand scratches or anything, you know. So hopefully this helps you a little more. There you can see a few little flaws in the paint right there. Like I said, I'm very transparent. Most guys don't do anything like this. They show you from 20 feet away and figure you're not gonna know, but that ain't how I do it. I want you to know exactly what you're getting. So showed all the flaws that I seen. There ain't many on this thing, and it's a pretty good paint quality on it. Not a lot of nibs in it or dirt, and not a lot of issues. 605-695-7391.